Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related to alternating current, commonly called as AC, the short form. So what is actually AC? You might have read about DC, direct current, the current that we get from a cell or battery, and the current that we get that is in our that's coming in our homes, that is generated in an hydroelectric power station. That is the alternating current. What is actually alternating current? And it is the current and an and electric current magnitude of which changes with time and direction reverses periodically is known as AC, alternating current, and is represented by what? I equals to I naught. I is equal to I naught. I equals to I naught sine of omega t. This is the general expression for alternating current. So I have put a definition here: an electric current magnitude of which changes with time. If I will make here a graph like this is the time, and I will place like this is the I. As at this very time, this is the magnitude, it doesn't change. So this is not called as alternating current. But if I will replace, yeah, I will do it like this. So at this very time, this is the magnitude. This very time, this is the magnitude. This very time, this is the maximum magnitude. And this very time, the magnitude is like this. At this very time, the magnitude is like this. And at this very time, the magnitude is zero. So here the magnitude changes continuously, constantly with the time. And its direction for the first half up to this is a complete one cycle. The one cycle is the main portion, it is the extreme portion. This is the main portion, this is extreme. Then it comes back, moves the electron moves back to its main portion, then it comes back to its main. Then it goes in the another direction to this very extent, and the another direction goes to this very extent, and then comes back to its main portion, then comes back to its main portion. This is called as one cycle or one oscillation. So this is the maximum peak value which is called as. So an electric current magnitude of which changes with time and direction reverses periodically. Periodically means after a fixed interval of time. After a fixed interval of time, after this very much time, the direction is this. Again, after the same time, the direction is again upwards. After the same time, the direction is again like this. So after a fixed interval of time, both the things change. What? One is the direction change periodically, and the magnitude changes continuously. And the maximum magnitude, this is called as the peak value, or it is called as what? Here, this is called as a peak value for current. Peak value. It is I naught. And here again it is I naught. But as the direction is below it, so it will be a minus times. Peak value, or this is also called as what? Amplitude also. And now there is omega. What is omega? Omega is called as angular velocity. Angular velocity, and this omega equals to 2 pi times the time period. Time period is time taken to complete this very one cycle. how much time is complete taken to complete one this Fourier cycle, that's called as time period. Or you will change this Fourier equation as 2 pi, and this is new. Or you can place this Fourier equation which we have written already, I equals to I naught sine of, instead of omega we are having 2 pi nu, and this is t. This is the driving frequency or simply frequency. This is called as the angular frequency or angular velocity. So in nutshell, what I have to say, I have to say that an electric current whose magnitude changes continuously, magnitude is changing at this very time, there is a totally different magnitude, at this very time there is a totally different magnitude, at this very time there is a totally different magnitude, at this very time there is a magnitude, at this very time there is a totally different magnitude. So the magnitude changes continuously, and this very current is known as what? Alternating current. And you are having an alternating EMF also, or the alternating potential, that is given by E equals to E naught sine of omega t. And you have to remember always, the alternating EMF will be always greater and greater than alternating current, because it is the EMF which generates current. It is the potential difference which generates current. So this is having a bit higher value. If you have to represent the alternating EMF, that is magnitude will be a bit higher, like this. This will be the alternating EMF, E naught. So this is what we should have the knowledge regarding to what? Alternating current. So a current which whose magnitude is going to change with time and direction is reversed periodically is known as alternating current. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.